Hi, here is everything you can do with Quizlet to study and check if you know the simple past of irregular verbs. First, you have some flashcards that you flip to see what's the simple past. So it's babysat. Click on the arrow. The past of be is was or were, I was, you were, he was, we were, you were, they were, etc. So you can use the flashcards to study. You can use also, here it's called learn. So you have to click on the right answer. So the past of eat is ate. The past of sink is sank. You also have the writing option. You write the past of what you hear. So the past of steal is stole. Then you have the spell option. You click here and you hear the simple past. You just have to write it correctly. Then you have a test to see if you need to study more. The past of died is dove, speak, spoke, etc. After you have some games, match. You have to match the base form and the simple past together. Forgive, forgave, stand, stood, sold, sell, teach, taught, hurt, hurt, lead, led. Quick, quick. Okay, I'm done. You also have a game in which you have to avoid asteroids. It's called gravity. You have to be fast, but actually, medium is not too fast. I'm going to show you with hard. You have to be ready and be quick because the asteroids, it's not that quick. You have plenty of time. Okay, no, they're coming quick. So you have to write the past participle of what you see coming. I said the past participle, but it's simple past. So this is how you use Quizlet to study the simple past of irregular verbs.